Oh my goodness, do you guys want to see how I created this beautiful artistic design in soap? What are you waiting on? Come inside, take off your shoes, and let's get started in this video. Hello and good day. I am Natacia, and you saw the welcome mat. It says welcome to Natacia Sudz and Scents. Yes, you guys, we are making this creative design in soap, and I still can't believe it's soap. But let's get started. I am going to be using the wall pour technique. You can get several types of designs. Several. We begin by making sure our batter is fluid enough to roll down the side of the mold. One of the keys to making your pattern more consistent is making sure that your mold stays stable. And this setup I have, I'm telling you now, it's not stable. I could have used a rolled up towel to balance the mold on. But you guys, I did purchase a device that will hold your soap mold in different positions. I'll show it on my channel and do another design, and you guys can see how stable it is. So far, so good. I'm alternating my colors. I clearly want more white than the other colors, but you're going to start seeing the batter is going to start to thicken. It's going to make it difficult for the soap to slide down consistently the way I want it, and then I have to hold the mold. You kind of want to plan out what pattern you want to use so that you can try to get the same amount of soap in each pattern. So you saw I do a 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. But it kind of got wonky because I had to concentrate on holding the mold. But you know what? The soap still came out awesome. And when you do this technique, if you try it, you'll see exactly what I mean when I say try to come up with a pattern, a soap pour pattern. So far, I'm loving the colors. I'm loving the contrast. I think it's coming out nice. At this point, I'm starting to get to the end of my containers. The batter is getting thick, so it's getting harder to pour down the sides evenly and easily. So I'll improvise and I'll start doing my soap top. Let's talk about, y'all ready to talk? Let's talk. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, shall we? Raise your hand if you upset about this TikTok ban. Raise your hand high. Let me see how many of y'all on TikTok, how many of you other folks are on the tickety-tock. Know y'all be mispronouncing it. Tickety-tock. How I feel about it, I don't think they're gonna ban it forever. I think it's gonna be somebody that come out of the woodworks and reactivate it or something, because it's just way too much money. I don't know what country you're watching this from, but if you are in the United States, you know that capital sells everything. Money talks here, so there's too much money on the table that people were making and TikTok was generating for them to just leave it alone. We'll see. 2025 is pretty young. So let's get back into the tops. See, my tops got thick. We're gonna make it work. Some of y'all probably saying, why it's so thick? And listen, over here we make things work. It works out. You gotta trust the process. Repeat after me. Trust the process. I get things done over here. Okay, now we got some Northern Light action on one side, and on the other side we got a little cartoon stripe. Soap is beautiful. Let's get in the cutting. Y'all ready to cut some soap and see what design we're gonna get? Are you guys ready for the soap cut? All right, now hold on to your Afro Zebra. Let's go. Let's go, design soap. Let's go. Do y'all see the ratio of white to blue to yellow to black? Yes. We got a little wonkiness, but this is an artist soap. Look at the tops. Look at these tops. Now, if you at this point and you watching this video, I need you to do me a favor. Yes, I do need you to like this video and share it, yes, but I need you to wait till I bevel this soap. There is something about these designs that go around the soap or go to the edge of the soap. It looks seamless. And look at these tops. Don't they look like Snicker bars? Look at my tops, you guys. Oh. Do you see that gloss? I know, I'm crazy. I get excited about soap. I get excited about art. Like, you need to invite me to your parties. So when you have like your drink or your food, I'm your hype person. I'm like, oh my God, this tastes awesome. And then everybody be all excited. I be in a corner like, I need to be trying Candace's strawberry daiquiri. Ooh, y'all need to get these Jello shots. They are doing it. What about these meatballs? I'm telling you, I'll be your hype person. I'll do it. Look at this. Look how beautiful this design is, though, you guys. There are some glistening rivers in the soap, and that generally happens when the soap gets too hot, or if you use water to mix your mica colors. You'll see it. It'll look like a little crackling, but it's okay. It actually adds to the design. But look how these colors play off each other. Imagine if it wasn't yellow and blue and it was green or red. This would look like peppers. This would just look like a wall of hot peppers hanging off your soap. Now, of course, we gotta cut a little bit off these end soaps because they are the ends, so the design is not revealing. But when we cut this off, the design comes through. Dang, I need an outfit with these colors. But I don't know about you, but I'm ready to do some cleanup on aisle 7. Clean up on aisle 7, please. Clean up on aisle 7. We got this fancy zebra print. We don't know how to act. Please hurry. Let's get our soap to the next level. We're going to plane that top layer off so we can reveal the beauty underneath. Just like when you guys be exfoliating all them dead skin cells off your foot and your face. That's what we doing here. And we're going to be beveling the edges of these soaps. Yes, we're going to bring it to the next level because when the design goes to the edge of the soap and you bevel it, it just, look at that. Look at it. Look. And some of y'all be clicking off the video at the soap cut. Look at this bevel action right here. Come on, that don't look nice. You telling me that don't look nice? Start your engines right now. Stop playing. Stop playing. I'm telling you, you guys, elevate your... Now, some of y'all do this, so I don't even need to say it, but that is so exciting. Look at how the soap looks now. Then I'm going to plane it, and then I'm going to bevel it, and then I'm going to show you how it looks again. Look at the effort that I put in these videos. Share, like, subscribe. Look at it again. Do the design. Let me see what you guys come up with. Let's go. The beveling part, of course, is one of my favorite parts, along with designing, obviously. If you are a soap maker and you don't have anything to bevel your soap with, a good tool to use is a potato peeler. Get you one at the store. Go to Dollar Tree and gently rub down the edges of your soap. Look how it just continues. You see how it continues over? It just, I don't know. I know I'm excited about this. I'm doing these same colors again because this design came out nice. These colors came out awesome. The beveling just skyrocketed this soap. My goodness. I also want to say that you guys, thank you for those who watch my videos and subscribe. Some of you are so consistent. It's insane. I can't believe that y'all come to the crazy every week and watch and listen to me, but I appreciate it so much. And look how beautiful that soap came out. Now, do not forget, I'm doing this design at least 2 more times this month with the new tool that I told you guys about. So check out that video. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful, beautiful energy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please click on the next video. Ciao for now.